So a lot of thoracic spine pain happens because the facets get stuck or locked up. So if you look at the joint, it should slide back and forth like that, but sometimes it just gets jammed or stuck, which irritates nerve endings. So I'm going to adjust Miguel. So he's a little tight right through here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just traction the ribs where they articulate with the spine, and then we're going to get right into the middle back. So he's a little bit stuck right here. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Got it. There we go.